How to use shrimp powder correctly. Avoid small fish messing up your bait. Hey anglers, today we are talking about shrimp powder and how to use it properly. A friend of mine recently added a lot of shrimp powder to his bait and got confused because all the small fish kept biting it. Let us break down why this happens and how to do it right. Quality matters. Not all shrimp powder is the same. Many people think any bag-labeled shrimp powder works. Wrong. Cheap or fake shrimp powder often contains mostly coloring and flavoring, with almost no real protein. Real shrimp powder is high in protein, which fish love. Using poor quality powder may attract small, undesirable fish or nothing at all. Rule of thumb: choose reputable brands or even make your own by grinding real shrimp. The same principle applies to fish meal or silkworm pupae powder for carp. But quality won't help, and not even ruin your bait. Timing is key. Shrimp powder works best when fish actually need extra protein. If your main bait already has enough protein, adding more shrimp powder may have little effect. Example: I added shrimp powder after a cold snap. Fish were sluggish, biting lightly, and the float barely moved. Adding shrimp powder improved their appetite, and I got clear, strong bites. My friend tried it later when the fish were already acting and the bait already contained shrimp powder. He got nothing but small fish. Lesson: use shrimp powder when the fish need it, not just because you can. 3. How much to add? The usual addition is 10% to 30% of your bait mix. If you have pure shrimp powder, you can even use it alone. 1 tea. Kill the bite or attract too many small fish. Adjust according to main bait composition, fish size and species, weather and water temperature. Smaller fish or colder days may require more shrimp powder, while bigger fish or mild conditions need less. Tip: shrimp powder doesn't contain pearl silk additives, so if your bait is stringy, add a bit of pearl silk powder or form bigger bait balls to maintain good bait consistency. 4. Quick application trick. You don't need to make a whole new batch of bait. After forming your bait balls, dip them lightly in shrimp powder, then cast them in. Watch your float stronger, clear bites mean the adjustment worked. This method is simple, quick, and very effective, especially when the fish are nibbling lightly in cold water. Summary: quality first. Real shrimp powder has protein, fake doesn't. Use at the right time when fish need extra protein, not when they are already active. Correct amount: 10% to 30%, depending on bait and conditions. Easy application: dip your bait, watch the float, adjust as needed. Shrimp powder is not a magic fix, but when used correctly, it can turn slow, white bait days into productive fishing sessions. Tight lines and happy fishing.